Welcome to Content Analysis. Today we're diving into a fascinating and timely question. Can artificial intelligence truly replace humans in market research? As technology rapidly evolves, businesses are searching for smarter, faster ways to understand their customers. This video will guide you through the latest breakthroughs, the real-world impact, and the challenges AI faces in this field. Let's start by looking at how market research has traditionally worked and why change is on the horizon. Decades, companies have relied on surveys, focus groups, and consulting firms to gather insights about their customers. These methods, while valuable, are often expensive, time-consuming, and limited in scope. Imagine organizing dozens of interviews, analyzing piles of data, and still not reaching every segment of your audience. This traditional approach has served us well, but it's not without its drawbacks, especially in today's fast-paced business world. Enter artificial intelligence. A new wave of AI startups is transforming the way companies approach market research. Instead of relying solely on human participants, these companies are building digital versions of real people, sometimes called agentic twins. These AI-powered models can simulate human behavior, offering a fresh perspective on customer insights and decision-making. Agentic twins are digital representations of real people, trained on actual human data. They capture preferences, personality traits, and purchasing behaviors, allowing companies to interact with them as if they were real customers. This means businesses can ask unlimited questions and receive instant feedback, making the research process faster and more dynamic than ever before. One standout in this space is Simile, a startup that builds AI models based on real human data. By analyzing preferences, personalities, and purchasing habits, Simile creates digital twins that companies can use for market research. This approach allows for rapid testing and instant insights, helping businesses make better decisions without the delays of traditional methods. Large organizations like CVS Health and Gallup are already using these advanced AI models. They're leveraging digital twins to simulate customer responses and test new ideas before launching them in the real world. Some studies report up to 95% accuracy compared to traditional research, showing just how powerful this technology can be. One of the biggest advantages of using AI in market research is efficiency. AI removes human fatigue, reduces costs, and allows companies to explore deeper insights at a much larger scale. Instead of waiting weeks for survey results, businesses can get answers in minutes, making it easier to stay ahead in a competitive market. With AI, companies can test marketing campaigns, product designs, and customer experiences in a simulated environment. This means they can predict how real customers might react before investing in a full launch. It's a safer, smarter way to innovate and minimize risk. Another benefit of AI-driven research is the ability to study hard-to-reach groups. Traditional methods often struggle to include niche or underrepresented audiences, but AI can simulate these segments, providing valuable insights that were previously out of reach. Despite its promise, AI in market research isn't perfect. These systems depend heavily on real human data and need constant validation to stay accurate. If the data is outdated or biased, the results can be misleading. It's important for companies to regularly check and update their AI models to ensure reliability. Bias is a major concern when using AI. If the data used to train these models isn't diverse or representative, the AI can produce skewed results. This can lead to poor business decisions and missed opportunities. Companies must be vigilant about the quality and diversity of their data. Like any technology, AI can make mistakes. Errors in programming or data can lead to incorrect insights. That's why it's crucial for businesses to combine AI findings with human judgment, ensuring that decisions are both data-driven and context-aware. Perhaps the biggest limitation is that AI lacks true human understanding. While it can analyze behavior and predict trends, it doesn't genuinely feel emotions or fully grasp cultural and psychological nuances. Human researchers bring empathy and context that AI simply can't replicate. The future of market research isn't about choosing between AI and humans, it's about combining their strengths. AI offers speed and scale while humans provide intuition and understanding. Together, they can deliver richer, more accurate insights for businesses. In summary, AI is revolutionizing market research by making it faster, more efficient, and more inclusive. But it's not a complete replacement for human insight. The most successful companies will be those that harness the power of both AI and human expertise, ushering in a new era of smarter, more effective market research.